How to use Interac Debit to pay for transit. Before you start, check with your local transit system to make sure they accept Interac Debit for adult fare payments. You'll also need a Canadian bank account with a participating financial institution and a debit card associated with your bank account, or a debit card provisioned in a participating digital wallet of your mobile phone or wearable device. When you enter the transit station or board the vehicle, hold your debit card, mobile phone, or wearable device over the fare reader to pay for your adult fare. Depending on the transit system, you will hear a beep or see an on-screen confirmation of your payment. At some stations, automated gates may open when your payment is accepted. Pay attention to the requirements of the transit agency you boarded. Some systems ask you to tap the same card on a fare reader when exiting a vehicle, leaving your destination, or transferring to another vehicle or station to continue your journey. The length of time you have to transfer may vary. Reach out to the transit agency to confirm details and learn where fare transfers are accepted. Learn more at interac.ca.